Ride in style and comfort with FH Group's popular flat cloth seat covers. Our bold, colorful design provides an ultra-modern way to preserve and extend the lifespan of your seats front to back. The covers are feather light yet surprisingly durable and offers ultimate comfort with minimal effort. Installation is a breeze. These high-quality covers can accommodate traditional, heated or cooled seats and are backed by 3mm of breathable foam, which disperses heat, keeping you relaxed and cool. This full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bench cover, and 4 headrest covers. Choose from a variety of vibrant colors and personalize your ride today.